Oh yeah, like it's numb. Like I can.
It feels funny.
It feels so weird.
Yeah.
I'm excited for tomorrow because I get my under eye fillers. And it's something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. I'm going to Westlake Dermatology to get it done. And yeah, so we're gonna just kind of see how everything goes. I'm gonna take you guys with me in the morning. And yeah.
In 3.6 miles, take the exit to merge onto I-35 north toward Waco.
I got this. Thank you. I just got this. Hopefully they still see me. I mean, they should. It's 9:30 now. And I'm right at this light. It's literally like right there. I gotta zoom. I gotta zoom. I gotta zoom. And we wait.
So we're doing fillers today. What areas are we wanting to do?
So like right here in this area.
Let me just take a look. Yeah, you have quite a bit of hollowing in through there. Of course, the issue is
So at this point, I was like, well, which one is going to be the best one for me?
the Restylane Silk for this area. The problem with the Restylane Silk is it swells a lot.
Okay.
And so it's one of those where you kind of have to inject it fairly quickly because as you're injecting, it will start swelling.
Gotcha.
So I tend to just be really meticulous whenever I do it, and I just tend to be very slow, especially in this area, because you do tend to bruise in this area easily. So I don't want to bruise you. It can happen regardless, but there's much higher risk of bruising if you go faster. So I just typically go really slow and meticulously. So I like using Bellatero in this area. So if you're okay with Bellatero, it's that same sort of like fine, thin filler. It's just one is by a brand Galderma and one is by a brand Mertz. Just scraping this off.
Oh yeah, like it's numb. Like I can.
It feels funny.
It feels so weird.
Yeah. Let me go get Leslie for you.
Okay.
Off, so close your eyes. Just keep them closed. I don't want this getting in your eyes. Keep your eyes closed, however you want. You ready? Here comes that vibration.
Tapping on the knee.
Here we go. You just breathe, okay?
So I know it probably looks like I wasn't breathing, but I was.
How you doing?
Oh, great. I can't feel jack.
It's amazing, isn't it? Stuff really works well. Not giving you any big bruises.
Whoop, whoop.
That is what I'm talking about. Maybe slight bruises, but I don't see anything that's going to be like black eye style.
No, that's fine.
Yeah. Yay!
Yes! Oh my God, y'all. Oh, yes.
Isn't that beautiful? Yes. Hyaluronic acid, essentially. Same thing that we injected, which is the hyaluronic acid. This just helps to restore hydration back into the skin, especially after that numbing medicine and then the cleaners and all the pressing. And you'll feel kind of some lumpiness in there. Totally normal. It takes about 2 weeks for it to fully settle out and for all the swelling to kind of calm down and go away. You may need another syringe, but you also may be like, nope, this is exactly what I wanted. I'm happy with this. But we definitely don't want to do more than one syringe at a time.
Okay. I'm so happy I did this. Like, so happy, because this right here was something that I was self-conscious about, and you could just literally see the difference. It's the day after, so It hasn't even been 24 hours yet, but this morning they were a little puffy. I was like, a little bruising, like a little bit. I see. It's very light though. But I have an ice cube in this little paper towel. And just kind of just letting it chill on my eye. Okay. There you go. Y'all can see the bruising. It's like bruised all up in there. And then kind of right there too. So, I mean, it's like, okay. I kind of really, like I said, like I've been saying, I kind of want to see what this second syringe will do. But I have to wait for everything to be like completely healed and all of that stuff. Hey guys, so it is day 5? No, day 6, day 5. Since I got my fillers, my injectables. Still have this bruise. Can't wait for it to go away because it looks so ugly. But yeah, this is the update. Oh yeah, I did get my hair done. Not the bang. The bang. But yeah, so I like yanked out one of my lashes this morning while I was asleep. Like the inner corner, it was playing all types of games because it was like irritating me so much. I had a horrible migraine yesterday and this morning. I was like, I stayed in bed. I was like, I can't do crap. But anyways, I wanted to show y'all what it's looking like and all that. So yeah, officially a week since I got my under eye fillers. I still have my little bruise, which I mean, it's going away, but I could definitely see a definite difference. Yeah, but like I said, I still want to get another syringe, but like I have like a couple weeks before I'm able to do that because of the healing. I'm sorry, I just got out the shower too. My lashes is throwing up gang signs. It's time for me to go get them filled. But, or has it been 2 weeks? When did I get them done? I don't know, maybe it has been for a week. But yeah. But they still look good. I mean, my lashes look alright. But like my under eyes is like really popping. So since I got the under eye fillers, I've been using this right here. And I don't necessarily put it all over my face. Ooh, Lord Jesus, my edges, child, Lord. But no, I like just put this like underneath here. So I've been using this in conjunction with this Depuff eye serum, and also with these collagen eye gel masks. And I'll link everything below. So good morning, guys. So we are officially at the 2-week mark. So I wanted to show you guys everything, like from the beginning, the middle, and now to where we are at the 2-week mark. So as you can see, I mean, my eyes do look a whole ton better. But no, they look so much better than what they looked like originally before I got the fillers done. The bruising has gone away. I do, like I said, I do want to do another syringe, and then when I wake up, like I'm still yawning, excuse me. And then when I wake up, like I'm still kind of sleepy, like, you know, I'm still kind of tired. But this is something, so I've been using these guys here in addition to this. And I use this every day, every morning and at night. And this comes in like a pack of, I think, 24, 25. And I got these from Amazon, and I'm going to link everything below. These guys I actually got at Marshall's, because you know they be having their little skincare side. So I got these like before I got my fillers, and this is the same product, the hyaluronic acid, that's used to fill in underneath the eyes. So then of course I had to come with the Depuff, which has caffeine and collagen in it. So these two together really have made a difference in the 2 weeks that I've post appointment. And then I added these in like about a week ago. So this has really been making a difference. I kind of want to show y'all what I do in the morning and at night. So my morning under eye routine is the same as at night. So I first start with this guy. And then you just let it sit. This is something that they actually used while I was getting my fillers, so I guess help distract me or whatever. But after doing some research and finding this again on Amazon, I use this too. This is what I've been doing for the past week. This and these guys I've been incorporating for the past week. These guys I've been using for the past 2 weeks. But yeah, just gently using this underneath my eyes. So after I do that, and the rest of the serum kind of, dissolves a little bit, then I go in with these guys. And everybody has been asking me about these guys. And yeah, like I sent some people the link. But yeah, I sent some people the link. The others will have to find out where it's like, just kidding. Others will have to find out on this video. But yeah, these guys, I just literally let sit on there. It says for 20 or 30 minutes. Sometimes I let it sit on here for an hour while I'm getting dressed. But I'll let them literally dry out to the point where they look like this. Like, if I put that, y'all see the difference? Like, I smooth it out, like I'll hold this part and then take this finger and then just kind of like make sure it's like really on there. And like almost like suctions or whatever. So yeah, so that's what I do every morning and at night for the past 2 weeks pretty much. Except for with these. This has been a week.